Oh, dude! What was that again?
Want me to show you my one?
Sorry, everything in here is like really messy. That is a remote with the brain on it, Alejandro. 1 second while Alejandro plays around with toys. You need to bring out the basketball hoop?
No.
Why not?
I want chicken egg.
I'm sorry, that just makes me laugh. Just like, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch it. Window!
Go to hell, Windows.
Window. Okay, we gotta get John over here. Whenever he says it, Alejandro like laughs his brains out.
Brains out?
I'm sorry, he has no brain, I'm sorry. Holy crap, he's gonna kill me. Oh snap, dude! Guys, I'm sorry, he hit me kinda hard. Ow! Dude, Nikki, what the hell? Ow! Alright, I'm sorry guys, 1 sec. Alright, this is the end of the video.